Okay, so let me explain you a little new concept in the list itself. So whenever you have a string, okay, then string itself is a list. It's a list of characters. Okay, so
Okay.
Om, can you share your screen and I'll tell you what to write.
Try to make a new one,
Yeah,
like
make a new
for
one,
so file.
file and
Um,
new one.
yeah.
Yes, okay. So
Wait, do I have to save this
save
one?
it. Yeah, save it. No, save.
Yeah.
Control
Sure.
S.
Yeah, yeah. And then just
4.
name it.
4. Yes, save it.
Okay.
Okay. So see, what we have done is we have created the list manually or by range function so far.
Mhm.
But now consider that we will take the string itself as a list. So for example, a equal to, so write a equal to double quotes apple, double quotes end, right? So now apple itself is a list here, and each character you can have the list item. So you can write okay, enter. You can write, no, not b, you can write a. Okay, you can write for I in a, for space I space a in a colon
Alright.
colon
Yeah.
print I. Yes, so what it will print?
Cool.
It will print each and every character. You see that?
Yeah.
Okay, so basically your each and every character combines as a list and itself is a string. So string is a list of characters. It's a
Mm-hmm.
list. Okay,
Yeah.
understand the concept. What is the string?
Yeah.
Okay, so for example, if I out of this apple, if I want to print e only, what you will do? You can remove the for part. No, apple, let
Oh.
it be apple. A equal to apple. Now out of
Mhm.
apple I want to print e, remove for part.
Uh,
Yes, remove it. Okay, now I want to print e only, what you will do? We have discussed this.
range, right?
No, not range. Apple is a list of characters, right? And its index starts with 0. So what will be, what you will do to print e?
Wait, is it like what we did here?
No. See, range function is to create the list, but the basics of array or list we have discussed in earlier session. So that each value, it starts with the 0 index. So
So
what is the index of e?
5? Wait, like 0 through 6?
0 to 5. So 0 to 4 only, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that will be 5 characters. So if I
Uh,
want to print e, what you will write? Print a square box. I'll explain it to you. Print a round
print
bracket a square box
box
4.
4.
Yes. So it will
Uh,
print e only. You got it?
yeah, I think print a 4. Oh, yeah. Okay.
Understand the concept, because string is a list, and list values, its index starts with a 0. So e as an index value 4. Understand?
Yeah.
Harshal, do you
Um,
understand?
Yes.
Okay, so let me give you another example. Say b equal to banana.
Here?
Yes,
Or okay.
b equal to banana. Double quotes banana.
How do you spell banana again? B-A-N-A.
Whatever.
Banana?
Yes, banana. Okay. Now I want to print n. What you will do?
Open B and then till
Yes. Okay. Good.
okay.
Understand how you are getting the value of each character?
Mm-hmm.
And if I want to print all the characters of banana, what you will do now?
Uh, like, do I do 0 through? Oh no, wait. Uh,
You just write for
like,
loop.
oh, that one. Okay.
For I in B, yes. Colon, you forgot the colon. Not print B.
Uh, oh, print I. Sorry,
Print I, yes.
printed B. Yeah. Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
So you have to understand that string is a list itself.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. So let me give you one code to write. So for example, if you have to find it out the vowels and consonants from the given string, so the user will enter the string and you have to print the vowels out of it. So can you do
The
that
vowel.
program?
Okay. Uh, so they input a starting value or like a.
Starting value, there is no starting value. The list, the string itself is a list. So you don't need to do integer typecasting. So a equal to input, that is fine. Yes. Okay, now what you will do for
There is
I in
starting
starting,
letter.
let starting word,
Oh.
enter a
Oh, it
word,
has to
not starting.
enter a word.
Yes, enter a word.
So from the word, it has to pick up the consonants. I mean, or the vowels.
Vowels, yes, it has to print all the vowels. So you just write for loop, and within the for loop you write if statement, and you do this program. So I want you to write it for
So,
I in a, not b.
oh yes, sorry. Right. Yeah. So if uh, do I do if a equal to and then
Why a? Because a is a string. You are taking the each character, so each character it is uh,
I,
available through I. Yes.
oh if I equal to or if I
Double equal
uh,
to.
wait if I double equal to
No, you cannot write it like this. If I double equal to a, no, double quotes a or single quote a, huh?
oh and then double quote and
or
then keep
or or
range.
no. If I double equal to a, double quote a, or
Mm-hmm. Oh
space space or I double equal to e, that way you have to write like a full sentence. I double equal to, or
let me just copy this. A-E.
got it? How you have to write?
Yeah.
Print print I should be with the tab.
Oh yeah.
Hmm.
So
Yes.
okay. So wait,
Save
like
it.
this, should I do the print like
Yeah, you can write. Yes, you can just use the print statement. That is fine.
so I do it here, right?
Yes, before for loop.
Okay.
All available vowels are, you write like all vowels available are.
Vowels from
My code works.
Okay.
okay.
Save it and run
Um,
it and test it.
oh, I didn't add the
Double quotes. No,
yeah.
it's okay. Yeah, just write it. Save it and execute.
Wait,
No, no
wait.
need to put a colon at the
Yeah.
end. Print.
Oh yeah. Okay. Okay.
Right? So
So
only A
save.
is there.
Yeah. Uh, um.
You write apple. Enter a word apple. So now here in this case, what is happening? That capital A is not considered in the condition. So that's why it is giving only E as the vowel.
Oh. Oh. Okay. You have to.
So you have to change your program accordingly.
So if
So your
the
conditions will be more. So if double equal to A or I double equal to capital A, that way you can
oh like that.
change the condition.
Okay. So I. Oh
E,
wait. Oh yeah. E. Wait. A. Okay. Uh, work 9. Did I? Wait, what's wrong? Just small
you have forgotten or in between somewhere. When you copy
or
pasted it, yes, that's the reason.
okay. So now,
Now it should work, correct?
yeah, okay,
Okay, so you have understood the concept.
yeah,